Hey everyone, I'm on here to do a knit crate unboxing. Welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I got my knit crate the other day. I just haven't been able to post a video, so I'm doing a video now on my unboxing. And I had been I had put my subscription on hold last couple months, money, funds. So I had enough points because I earned some points, so I was able to get this for a really good price. So what I have in here is 2 hanks of this, and what it is it's Knitologic Worsted Merino colorway Bohemian waxwing. It's very soft, and it is 100% superwash merino wool, worsted weight, and 218 yards. I got 2 hanks of it. 2. And let's see. A knit crate book. Has all kinds of, has this pattern in it. Oh, that's probably, oh, that's for knitting. I don't knit. But they have one in here for crochet too. It's a nice pattern book. Nice hanks of yarn. And well, there was a sticker in here. Well, I think the sticker's missing now, but it had 2 little stickers on it, in the package. I don't know if it fell out, but that'll be, hopefully if I can find it, I'll put it back in the box. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, drum roll, I'm going to give this away. Yep, I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to give it away just because that makes me happy giving it away. I don't know if I'll be getting one. I'm not affiliated with Knit Crate as of yet. I don't know if I will be. So this is on my own. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving it away, and it will be this book. Oh, this sticker was in there somewhere. Oh, anyway, I'll find you guys some kind of sticker if you want a sticker in there. This book. Okay, that goes in there. 2 hanks of yarn. These you'll be getting. And I just got this from Michael's. It's a stitch journal. I'll be putting that in the box. And let's see here if I can find it. Well, I'm batting 1,000, guys. I had everything right here. Oh, 1 second. I'm gonna put a little measuring tape in there. Not this one. This is just an older one, but it's gonna kind of look like this, and it's gonna have a wrapper around it. I have a bag full of them, and I'll put them in the box, but they're all upstairs, and I don't want to go upstairs right now. But I got a bunch of these little measuring tapes at Hobby Lobby, and they were like 70 cents or something. But this, the one I will put in the box will have plastic around it. So yeah, it'll be one of these. A stitch journal. 2 hanks of yarn. I'm going to start the drawing. I'm going to start it today. I'm going to let it go for a while so people can get entered in. I'll probably close it like September 14th. I'm going to let it go for a while just because that's around our payday and then I can ship it off. So, So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to give it away. So all I need from you all, um, is to be subscribed to my channel and, like, share, and yeah, like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share me with others, spread the word. If you have social media or Instagram, share me there, but that's not a requirement, obviously. It's just mostly if you're subscribed to my channel. Also, yeah, knitcrate is not involved with this. It's just my own doing. So, yeah, and I'm going to put a little comment out there. I'll use the YouTube random comment picker, so I won't be involved with actually picking the person. But I would like to know, what your favorite yarn is. Or, how about this? Where's your favorite place to shop? Number one place. That's it. That's all I want. And so I'll be giving that away. I'll let it run till September. I'll close it September 14th. I'll draw the name September 15th. And I will actually open this everywhere. I'll open this one in anywhere in the United States. I don't know if it's going to come in this box. Or not United States, excuse me, pardon me. Anywhere out of the United States too. I should say that. As long as it can accept things that can come in the mail in your country. So I'm going to open it everywhere. This one. But I don't know about the box because it was sent to me not very packed well. It was a mess. So yeah, but I'll put it in something and I'll send it out. So wherever you're at, as long as you open it worldwide, so wherever you're at, I'll send it out. This one's doesn't have very much in it, so it shouldn't cost that much. Second thing, I went to my Michael's and I got on that, well, everybody got latte cakes, so let's go check out my store, right? What a joke. Okay, first of all, my Michael's is very, very, very small. I have to drive 30 miles to get to my Michael's to begin with. So I went in there the other day and asked her, because I couldn't find any of the latte cakes. I said, do you guys have any more, or did you guys get your latte cakes in? Oh, no, not right now. We haven't got those in yet. We don't know if we'll be getting them in, so, we're a pretty small store. Anyway, they tell me that stuff all the time. And, we're back in there today. Guess what I found? Two latte cakes of the same color. Guess where they were at? The clearance aisle. These were the only two left. That was it. She said they only got 3 on the truck. 2 left. Funny how I asked her the other day and she goes, oh, we didn't get those in. And then I asked her today and she's like, oh yeah, we got those in a couple weeks ago. Anyway, whatever. So I got them in the clearance aisle. And I'm sure you've all seen them before. It's plum. That's the only one they had. And I paid $3.97 a cake for it. Just the 2. And then I got some beads. Of course. Because I got to have my stuff to make jewelry with too. But yeah. I'm making some stitch markers for a few people. But anyway, yeah. So 2 latte cakes. That's all I got. That's all they had. She goes, well, we probably won't be getting any more. So I'm going to have to drive over an hour or so to a bigger Michael's, either going north or south of me, which will probably be going south towards another area because I prefer that direction anyway. So I'm going to have to drive an hour. Because I told my husband, I'm like, I'm going to another Michael's to check out and see if they have latte cakes there. Or I'll order it online, hopefully, and maybe have it delivered to the store near my house. The only whip I have right now, which I don't like to show my whips, is this cowl I'm making. Or it's actually an infinity scarf. And it's done with V-stitches. And the yarn is the Hobium yarn. It's very small. Or that's not small. It's very soft. And I got 2 cakes of them, so this is pretty much what I got left of it. I'm going to finish it. And I have an amigurumi that's done, but it's put away right now. I want to do all my finished objects on one video. So, yeah. So this is one of them. It's going to be a nice infinity scarf, which I'm going to be selling. So if anybody's interested, well, you know, I don't know. I'm going to be doing a video on selling some stuff so I can make some money for my channel. And yeah, this is all I have left of it right here. I may break another one, open it, and just go a little bit longer, and then I'm going to make a head warmer with it. So it's going to be a set. I'm pretty much almost done with it. And then that'll be a finished object, so when I get done with that, I'll show that. We're working on a couple more things. I'm also doing a crochet along, and I believe her channel name is Pixie Marie, and it's on a bat. I think his name's Jasper the Bat. Anyway, Pixie Marie. I'll try and link her channel down below, and you can just join the group on Facebook, and all the stuff about the crochet along is on there. I just bought the pattern. I just gotta print it out. It looks pretty simple, and she said it's really quick. So it starts today, and I think it ends September 9th, I think. But I'll link her channel down below, that particular episode down below in the description box. I'm also has signed up with Ice Yarns to be affiliated with them. I'll also put the affiliated link down below to make a small commission, and it's not a lot, a small commission, so I can start buying stuff for my channel and making my channel grow. My husband's the only one working right now, and I'm trying to find ways to help my channel out, make it grow, so I can get things for my channel, so I can get a better camera, because there's little tutorials I want to do on stitch markers and stuff like that, and hair scrunchies, and you know, just this really simple thing is just done with V-stitches. I mean, it's just super simple, right? I gotta have equipment for that to help me with that. So that would be like, it would help me out if I could just make some extra money so I don't have to dig in my husband's pockets all the time to get money. He doesn't care as long as the bills are paid, but I just hate that, because there's things he likes and he works really hard, so I don't want to constantly be shaking him down for money all the time. He doesn't care what I buy, but I just want to do it. It would make me feel better about myself. Okay. So I'm going to put an affiliated link down below, so if you all want to go on there and grab it, that would be great. Or if you want to look through it, I mean, if you order from Ice Yarns, or if you do, pass that around, and I'll put that down in the description box. All you do is hit the link on it, and then you just go shopping, or do whatever you need to do, and I will put that down below as well. I want to give a shout out to Allison. You have been great, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Mommy's Life, check her out. She's great. Love her. So I've sent some emails out to some people. I haven't heard back, and I shouted out a couple people for their email, and I haven't heard it back. So on some projects I'm trying to collaborate or whatever with, and nobody's getting back to me. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So with that said, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna upload the video. I will not edit this one, because edit takes me forever and it just annoys me. So I always have to have my husband help me. And I hope you guys can hear me on this video. I talk really soft. I don't talk very loud. And I have things in here that, and I've been cooling the house down and stuff. And I haven't been feeling well the last 4 days, and I'm still not feeling well in so many ways. I've been wanting to do this knitcrate unboxing forever. And I've been talking with Allison a little bit. She's a blessing. And I have another friend that I deeply care about. And she knows who she is. I'm not going to mention her name here on Facebook. Or not Facebook. I was just on Facebook a few minutes ago. YouTube. So she's a very, very, she's so sweet, and she's been helping me through some problems. You know who you are, right? Anyway, give Mommy's life a look at, and subscribe to her channel. I will be doing some shout outs within this week, and I'll be showing my finished objects. I'm also doing a swap with Madonna Ballard, and that hopefully should be here tomorrow. Madonna, she's the best. She's fun. Love her. Check out her channel. You won't be disappointed. She makes it real, man. She makes it real. Madonna Ballard. So when I do this, I'm doing the swap with her. So I will be doing the video on that when it comes in, and she'll be doing the video that I gave her, stuff I gave her. So check that out. And I have I signed up for another swap. She sent me an email, and I sent her email back, but I haven't heard back, so I'm waiting to hear about that. So I will stop talking and stop blabbing, because I know a lot of people hate boring, long, just blah blah videos, right? So I will let you go. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys the next day or two. Hopefully I can check out my do a video on the swap if it comes in. My mail is really slow in this area. It says it would be here tomorrow, so and I will be doing some shout outs probably this week. I just want to get some people on my list. And what else? I can't think of anything else. My finished objects I'll have done. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. I can't think of anything else. Like I said, I haven't been feeling well. I don't know if it's a bug or what it is, but oh my gosh, I just felt horrible. And I'm on a new medication, and that doesn't help my mood very well. Just gotta get it worked out. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'll put the ICE affiliated link down below, and I'll put Pixie, I think her name is Pixie Marie, YouTube channel, and she talks about the crochet along with Jasper the Bat. And yeah, that's it. God bless everyone, and take care of one another.